be destroyed. I came back from the fire of hell, a place where all doors are stuck, and there is no way out. I am my own way out.
Nakita niyo kanina yung beneficiary natin. At ngayon, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung saan siya umuwi or paano. Shared blessing ang sinasabi nila. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito